Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm a service advisor here at Eastway Toyota. I'm going to be talking to you today about a couple tips on maintaining your Toyota when you're driving less. We know how to take care of our vehicles, routine oil changes, brakes, but what do you do if you aren't driving as much? The first thing you need to do is drive the vehicle for at least 20 minutes every week. This helps keep the fluids moving and the engine running. Think of it as a bit of an exercise for the vehicle. Second, you will want to protect the exterior. Make certain to wax and seal it. This protects the paint and keeps it looking new. Also, if you keep your vehicle outside, invest in a car cover as it will help the vehicle as well. Like I said earlier, getting your vehicle out for at least 20 minutes a week helps maintain the vehicle. This is especially true for your brakes and your tires. By using the brakes, they have a chance to fight against rust, and moving the tires will help to prevent flat spots. As for oil and gas, keep your gas tank fairly full and it will help keep condensation from forming. More importantly though, change the oil at least once a year. This will help the oil from clogging up and causing troubles later down the road. Despite the fact that you aren't driving as much right now, coming in for the routine maintenance will help keep your Toyota vehicle in good health. Lastly, keep an eye out for pests. When vehicles sit too long, unexpected visitors might try to make it into a home. We are all hoping to be driving again soon, but until then, these are what we suggest to keep your vehicle running well, even when it isn't running. If you have any questions or need to schedule an appointment, come see us at Eastway Toyota. Thank you for watching.